Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely Ford Transit Custom 2020. How the system works is obviously when the customer jumps in, he turns on the ignition, goes through his push sequence, you get a melody, and then he can obviously start and drive the vehicle away. But what we've done on here, we've done two forms of blocking. We've done cam blocking, which is digital blocking, and we've done an analog block. But the analog block we've done with a bit of a timer, just to show you the flexibility of the Starline product. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to start the vehicle up now. And within about 30 seconds, you're actually going to see the vehicle cut out if we don't insert the code. The reason why I've actually given it a timer, that should the customer ever forget the code, he's actually got a card with a 4-digit PIN code, and that will allow him enough time to insert the code to disarm the system. So what we're doing now is I'm actually waiting for it to cut out, just to show that it's got an analog immobilisation circuit, which makes it a little bit more secure than just a digital block. There you go, vehicle's just cut out. So now, obviously, when we turn on the ignition, if we go through a basic push sequence, which we just set for now, so 1, 2, 3, you'll hear a melody, and then we can start the vehicle. This time, obviously, the vehicle won't cut out because we've given what we call authorization, as in we disarmed it. Also, if the customer wants to change the code, this is very, very straightforward. So basically, ignition on. You hear a disarm melody, that means we haven't left it long enough so it didn't actually arm. So if we left it for about 10 seconds, then the system will become armed. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how to, first of all, sniff for buttons to see what buttons work on the network on this particular vehicle. And then we're going to change the code. So I'm going to turn the ignition on, go through our disarm. So 1, 2, 3. There you go, melody. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off. Key on. This will bring us to what we call button learning, but we're just going to sniff for buttons. So any button that I touch that we can use will give me a bleep. Use that, that, not that, not that. See, so basically just these few buttons here. That double bleep was that it's actually said that is that the code you want to use. So we have to repeat it, but I'm not going to do that. So we're going to start again. So now I'm going to change the code. So basically, ignition on, I think we've left it about 10 seconds. No, we haven't. But anyway, we've disarmed it. So let's just do 5 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off. Key on. 5 bleeps means we're in learn mode. So I'm going to change it to this for now. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for confirmation to accept the code. Repeat the code again. 1, 2, 3. Wait for confirmation. There you go. That means it's learnt the code. So if we leave it for about 10 seconds and we'll try the new code. I think that should be about 10 seconds now. So let's just turn on the ignition. Try the new code. Confirmation. There you go. Start the vehicle. Really clever. Right, now say for example now I want to take it for a service. Simple way to put it into value mode is straightforward. So basically the system has to be disarmed. So ignition on, disarm the system, receive our melody. So any button that's on the network, we just press it 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, pause, key on, 2 bleeps. There you go, this is now in valet mode. So this means you can take it for a service and you don't have to disclose the code. When you get the vehicle back, ignition on, just disarm code. There you go, double bleep, that's now out of valet mode. So we turn the ignition on, that's now out of valet mode. So now it's going to require a PIN code. So obviously when I turn off the ignition, leave it for about 10 seconds for it to actively immobilise itself or become active. So it's be about 10 seconds, ignition on, disarm code. There you go, confirmation, start the vehicle. I mean, there are a few more features where you can actually pair it to your phone and use your phone as a Bluetooth authorization so you don't have to disclose the code. Lovely bit of kit to do that. But the only scenario with that is if you get so used to using your phone and eventually your phone goes flat, which it will do, the original PIN code that you've inserted, you probably forget. But either or, they're both lovely features to have. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you, bye bye.